Folks, Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for you guys regarding Bitcoin. Yesterday I made some study on the graph here for the 4-hour chart, and since we lost this symmetrical triangle figure, I decided to make some cleaning here and some new analysis. So the left side of the triangle, which gives me the expected target price. Once there's a breakout of the triangle, I transfer it here. So now they both have the same color, and the expectation of the let's say dramatic move of prices provided by these two horizontal lines, pink lines. I put it on pink as well. Okay, since we lost this triangle, I'm gonna change its color. I'm gonna put it in red, and I'm gonna put it in a dashed line because we don't need it. It doesn't have to be in evidence anymore. Okay. On the other hand, I did some analysis yesterday, and I came out with two channels. There's this big channel where it's trying to keep the prices in, and it can be higher or not. We can make some adjustments right here. Okay, here we go. All right, so we have the prices trying to keep inside this channel. Okay, and you can see that it's trying to break out the channel. I'm gonna put it back to where it was. So it's trying to break out that channel right there, and if it does, then we might have some more positive move for Bitcoin. Okay, but I did also find another channel here, which is the blue one. See, you guys can see the blue one right there. So we don't have to take no more in consideration the symmetrical triangle, but I just kept it there for a while, while these prices are starting to move towards the triangle target price. So let's see how that's going to work out. But for now, we have another figure that we can move, that we can bet our analysis and our trades for the 4-hour chart. We have it right here on the blue triangle. So there's a very tough resistance going on at something like 6900, 7000. Okay, around there. Let's see how it's going to work out to break out and go straight up, or break down, or keep in and go straight down, maybe touching 6500. It's too early to say that, but that's the minimum it could go, or even less, but that's our target price if it goes down. Okay, for now it is going down, most likely because the stock markets are moving forward. Let me see right here. United States, it's almost zero variation. Brazil as well. Actually, it's going 1% negative right now. Let's see how Europe is going on. Europe, it's a mix of a little positive, a little negative. London is going like 6% positive. Whoop, that's nice. And we have a mix of positive and negative on Asia. So for now, there might be some things, some headlines telling us what might be going on. Let's see if I can find something here. Yeah, it's more negative news coming from the U.S. regarding jobless claims. A lot going on. It says that in March, United States lost 700,000 jobs. That's not good. So we might still have been moving on the negative news. Let's see how that's going to work out. Okay, but for sure we have uh, two uptrend channels, a shorter one and a less shorter one. Let's see how that's gonna work out. For now, we can see that there's a fight on the 4 hour chart, trying to see where is the prices going forward to. Um, right now at the morning when I did the Brazilian analysis, it was going up, trying to go up, but now it's just started strong down, and let's see if that's just a small correction or it's going to be something deeper. Okay, let's see what else. We still have some mixed signs, saying that it can go up, but it's starting to sign things going down. For instance, we have the relative strength index that it was in the overbought zone. Now it's out of it, going down. So we have to see the same signs on the histogram in order to say that it's the forces are moving to negative. Okay. So for now, there's not enough signs, as I don't see any signs on the Brazilian stock market as well, because I think the news there, the market is waiting for news, waiting for some situation to decide if I'm gonna make more profit and go up. Realization, this it's kind of a confusing. For Bitcoin, it's okay because after the market closes, the traditional market closes today, it's just going to have the whole weekend to move itself. Let's go for the daily chart. The daily chart still keeps moving up positive. That's what I call the top trend. I'm just going to, before I talk about the top trend, let me just keep showing you guys. So the daily chart is showing that it wants to go up, nice and neat. We have to see prices overpassing the midline of the upper channel on the 1 hour chart. Okay, that is a good reference for us. It's having a tough time for like 5 days in a row trying to overpass the midline of the upper channel. Let's see how that's going to work out. For now, we have to wait. We still have positive move on the volume wave. See, the pivot is still showing positive, and the wave is still increasing the positive wave. Let's see how that's going to work out. If it's going to overpass the highest high of the previous positive wave. That was my bet earlier this week. Let's see if that's going to happen. But we have some negative move on the 4 hour chart. Let's see how that's going to work out. On the weekly chart, we keep seeing prices trying to move positive, which means it's trying to do a bottom reversal. Let's see how that's going to go on until Sunday. On the monthly chart, we still see negative moves starting to mix up with positive moves. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here to the image. This is what am I seeing here right now? I'm seeing that the 4 hour chart is trying to go up. Okay, and then the daily chart is also trying to go up. Let me put like this. It's also keep going up. If we check the weekly chart, it is on the bottom trying to reverse, which means that we have forces on the 4 hour chart, we have forces on the daily chart, which means that the weekly chart have forces making it go up. Okay, but once it goes up, it's gonna meet the the monthly chart still trying to go down, but having the pressure of the weekly chart trying to make it go up again instead of going down. Okay, it's hard to show with my hand, sorry. But anyway, this is something nice, but we have to see this 4 hour chart reacting. Otherwise, um, we might see some nice and deep correction. Okay, folks. For now, let's see if we have an update on the fear and greed index. It doesn't. It still keeps on a 22, level 22, nice and neat. What else could I show you guys here? Let me see if I can open the 1 hour chart for you guys. I think I draw a 1 hour chart here. Let me see if I can open it. Let's see, Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Let's see if I can find it right here. If it's quick to find it for you guys. See if I found, here it goes. Here it goes, Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Where are you? There you go, 1 hour chart. Let's see how it looks. Let's see, it's opening. Okay, I forgot to publish the Portuguese Bitcoin on. Okay, here we go. So right now, I did do something here on the 1 hour chart. Let me just open it here to make it wider for you guys to see. We have here uh, a wedge. As you guys can see, a wedge, which is not a good signal. A wedge is not a good signal for us. So if we have a breakout on this wedge, let's get the worst case scenario. It's right here. If we have a breakout somewhere at the end of the wedge, we might see prices going way down, which is not neat. Going down to 4,000. Okay, but this is just a projection. Let's see how it's going to work out. But what matters for me right now is this uptrend channel. As you guys can see, we are touching the top of it, so it might go down on the 1 hour chart. So today we have good things on the 4 hour chart and on the 1 hour chart. Okay, at this very moment we have this uptrend line that is being tested by the prices. Check it out. It's being tested by the prices. If we lose it, we have to see. Look, this is bad stuff for the 1 hour chart. We have increasing volume going on with the price decreasing. So keep our eyes on that. Let's see, how long is it? There are still 34 and a half minutes to end this candle, which means that the volume can't increase the previous one. Otherwise, Houston, we have a problem. Okay, so for now, I guess the best thing we have is keep our eyes on the 1 hour chart to see how it's gonna overpass or not this line. Okay, this is one thing. And the other thing is keep our eyes on the 4 hour chart, which it's right here, in order to see if it's going to go down. And if it does, we know that at first it's going to have to meet the midline of the channel in 6,700 and see how that's going to go on. But I would go definitely with the 1 hour chart right now. There's a lot of action on it here. Okay, you guys, that's it for now. Let me see if there's something on the Heikki Ash on the 1 hour chart. Say the direction is going to go down. The money pressure on the 1 hour saying it's going to go down. The press price is saying it's going to go down. It's starting to shrink or end the positive wave. The pivot saying it's going to go down. We have stochastic getting out of the overbought zone, saying it's going down. It's histogram as well. I didn't have time to make the circles here with the colors, but I'm telling you guys, and the relative strength is going down. So as you guys can see, oh, and we still have MACD just turning now, going down. So as you guys can see, we have a huge test going on for the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that. It's going to have to change all these signals, which are strong signals for now. So let's keep our eyes on it and wait for the last 32 minutes to go. Okay, sir, that's it. And madam, that's it. Thank you guys very much for following my analysis. Remembering that I'm already available. This analysis is already available on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, TradingView, and LinkedIn. And remember my disclaimer, my opinion is just my opinion. Don't follow it. This is what I see for me. I just want to share it with you guys, okay? Build your own opinion based on what you guys saw here and what you see on other analysis from other guys, and build your independence regarding trading. Okay, sir? That's it. Thank you very much. And we'll keep in touch during the intraday. Okay? That's it, folks. With this analysis on hands and with prices trying to break out the 1 hour chart, it's showtime. Take care.